in case you're wondering what's going on with our tomato house, we have to pour these tomatoes isapuralbats because I don't understand. Like bacteria spots wanted to render us, like, I don't know, like everything was just so wrong with these tomatoes. So we decided to like give them a very nice haircut, and this is the outcome. Honestly, every single farmer on this farm is looking forward to this day. On this harvest day, like this is the day that used to relieve them of their daily tussle, like their Monday to Sunday hustle. Shout out to all the farmers out there trying to put food on our tables. Like it's not easy. I have to do it myself to realize, like to know that it's not easy. So welcome back to day 7 once again, guys. I'm so grateful for your constant support and your engagement. I see you all day. I see you, Jordan. I see you, Chioma, and every single person that have been supporting me. Thank you, guys. I'm so grateful. And so many other people. Honestly, I'm just going to make a list on my birthday. You guys are too much. Thank you. You shouted loud, but I couldn't hear a word you say. You're talking loud, nothing. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You're talking loud, nothing. Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet, take your aim. Fire away, shoot me down, but I was fine. I'm tight. Shoot me down, but I wasn't fun. I am titanium. I am titanium. Stone core. Machine gun. Okay, guys. So as we all know, like this is day 7 and this is the last day of the week. So what next? What are we expecting next week? In case you didn't see the community post, we are doing pastries this new week. Yay! Wetin be that? I better go through where I'm go back. That's the way they do now, no try. Then are you they send from my village? Then are you the no only right? We are plugging 50% right. Yes. If you leave then there split. If you leave and split, go finish in life before the next harvest. Please go finish up. So once you don't reach 50% as we still catch and for see like this, when they go. Oh yeah, come follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Come and see my woman. African lady, Adama. All the was so simple. My man is so cool. Baby, not so much, just you. I'm passing my man, sorry. Yeah, I no baby. Oh, now, wow, get it. Young, Bella had it. Ian, I'm a man. Ian, never quit. I did a day and a pout. Another. Just tomatoes strong like my heart. I see like tomato fine like person. Just tomato fine. Just tomato fine like person future. Thank you guys for staying with me, and I promise to have more sense next week. Bye.